Hey guys, welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find simple, easy, and step-by-step dance tutorials. Alright, so today I'm going to do a dance tutorial that I've been looking forward to, and that is how to do the airwalk. And what I love about this dance move is that it doesn't require that much energy. You can just be like, smooth. Hey, how you doing? Okay, so no more talking, let's jump right into it. I'm going to make it easy, step-by-step, beginner-friendly for you. So what I want you to start with is just here, switching the weight from side to side. I'm just going to show you from the side. So you want to lift up your right leg, for instance, or your left leg, and then you want to say, switch the weight to your right. Yeah, so meaning that I can easily lift up my left leg because all of my weight is on my right. I want to do the opposite, switch, switch, and I don't want you to do like, wow, wow. Wow, I want you to go smooth, smooth, yeah? Smooth. I'm just gonna show you to the front again. So, it helps a bit if you move your hip from side to side, just so that you know that you have to switch your weight. Whoop, 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 whoop. Alright, moving on. So once you can do this, once you've practiced this like 1,000 times, then what I want you to do is just once you're here, for instance, we're gonna take our right or our left leg, the ones that's up here, we're gonna place it to the front, just on your heel, and notice that all of my weight is still on my left in this case, yeah? And then when you switch the weight, you wanna bring back your right leg. So you wanna say, all my weight on my right. I'm gonna say left to the front, all my weight now to the left. Push the other one out, all my way to right. Push this one out, all my way to this one. And you can lift up your leg if you want to. Now, the key to making this smooth is that you want to do this slowly. So not like tap, tap, tap. Well, that also looks okay. Anyways, so boom, 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 boom. So there you go, that's basically how to do the airwalk. Now if you want, you can bring your foot all the way down, so flat foot, and then you want to drag it instead. Yeah, that has a different effect. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And remember, the key is having the weight on the right leg. Yeah, so all my weight, when I drag my left back, all my weight is on my right. And the opposite. Alright guys, I hope you liked this beginner tutorial on how to do the airwalk. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.